The need to measure will always be there. From straight lines to curves, compound surfaces, and everything in between. That's why we created Rollova, the world's first compact digital rolling ruler. We are introducing a new way to measure by removing the complexities of a traditional ruler. The Rollova is compact and simple to use. Just press and hold the button on the back and roll it across a surface. It creates and saves accurate measurements you can count on in the unit of your choice. Whether you're a designer or a tech lover, Rollova is for everyone. The rolling ruler is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Rollova comes with a genuine leather case that fits onto your keychain in a second. Embrace this winning combination of high-quality materials, precision machined stainless steel frame, and a stunning minimalistic design. Rollova provides measuring capabilities in a range of units using a revolutionary user interface. By supporting this campaign, you can join us and make this epitome of convenience a reality. We are ready to change the future, with you by our side.
We love having our music with us everywhere we go, but we can't bring it on our swims. The Dolphins, ultimate earbuds for water sports and fitness. Most earbuds available now aren't totally waterproof, uncomfortable, and fall out easily. With this in mind, we had an idea. Now you can swim, run, surf, go for kayaking, kite surfing, or any other water sport and enjoy your music without worrying about damaging or losing your earbuds. Our team with lots of experience in designing ergonomic devices developed new earbuds to be small, minimalist, and comfortable while also being totally waterproof. We make sure the Dolphins will never fall out by designing and patenting the world's first detachable hooks. Just attach them to the earbuds before swimming to ensure they fit perfectly and will stay in your ear whether you are swimming, surfing, or running. Using Bluetooth 5, the Dolphins gives you more range, speed, and data. The IP68 rating guarantees the earbuds are totally waterproof, so you can stay in the water for as long as you want. Taking into account every shape of the ear, we designed an earbud that is comfortable for everyone. You can answer the call, change the song, or control the volume with just a touch or a swipe. To change the song, just swipe up or down your right headphone. To control the volume, swipe the left one. And to answer the phone, just touch it. You can listen to music or even share phone calls by pairing your Dolphins. Recharge anywhere and anytime with the portable charging case that is easy to bring along and fits into your pocket. And when you are at home, just drop it on the wireless platform. We believe we created the best waterproof headphones for active water sports and fitness. So get your own Dolphins for up to 40% off by backing us on Indiegogo.
.3D printers are either expensive or don't match the quality standards to make the true beauty of your design real. Now there is a solution. Introducing SparkMaker, an affordable desktop SLA 3D printer for everyone. SparkMaker is designed as a plug-and-play, standalone printer. Start printing is super easy. Just download the design file from computer to an SD card. Insert it to SparkMaker with resin filled. Press the button and you are all set. During the printing, an LED light will keep you updated about the status, and a UV protective translucent cover to avoid any damage from the circumstance. The printing area is 102 by 125 millimeters, with a 0.1 millimeter XY resolution and a Z resolution up to 0.02 millimeters. After printing, simply take off the top and grab your finished product. SparkMaker comes with 5 types of resins for different objects you want to create. And with the 5 types of color paste, you can print any color you want. If you don't want to get messed with the typical resins, we also provide a special resin that can be cleaned by water directly. No matter you are an artist, designer or hobbyist, you will be able to create high-quality 3D printed objects with SparkMaker. SparkMaker comes with a free and easy-to-use software to design your own objects, or you can just use existing 3D models from our library. We believe that the future of 3D printing relies on making it available for everyone. We tap the top engineering, 3D printing, and industrial design talent to create SparkMaker. Our team has been working on 3D printer manufacturing for years, and we are confident to introduce SparkMaker to everybody to see what you will create with it. So join us, and let's start creating.
Verum Pet Fitness is a robot designed to keep your pet healthy. It plays with your dog by automatically zooming around the room, interacting with your dog, and dispensing treats. It's a fun and hands-free way to keep your dog sharp and active all day. And Verum Pet Fitness is smart too. With automatic obstacle avoidance, you don't ever have to worry about it getting stuck. It can dodge anything in its way and drive over large obstacles. And with its tough construction, Verum Pet Fitness can go over carpet with ease and take a hit like a champ. And it's smart enough to know when your pet is no longer close. And cute enough to get your dog playing again. As a pet owner, I know how important it is to keep my dog physically active. Not only does it keep his body strong, but it stimulates his mind, helping reduce the risk of lethargy and depression. As the owner, you decide when your dog needs to be active, how many treats they can have, and how long they need to play. That way, you can always have peace of mind knowing that your pet isn't bored at home. I love having Verum Pet Fitness at home on those long days in the office. Knowing that there's a toy that gets Lincoln up and moving in a fun way and rewards him is so valuable to me. Verum Pet Fitness can be remote controlled through the app, allowing you to interact with your pet directly. You can choose a route for Verum Pet Fitness to follow, or you can create your own patterns for the bot to follow, making sure your dog is always getting a new experience. It's IPX4 water resistant, so it can survive everything your pet throws at it. We've also made sure to use durable, FDA-approved materials in its construction to make sure that it can withstand rough housing while always being safe for your pet. Not to mention easy to keep clean. And Verum Pet Fitness takes any kind of treat you prefer as long as it fits. At the end of the day, we created Verum Pet Fitness to be a fun, safe way for your pet to get exercise. Its patent-pending design and high-tech abilities make it the perfect way to keep up on your pet's fitness, whether you're home or not.
I love Verum Pet Fitness, and Duke loves it too. Whenever I'm not home, he's always chasing that thing around. He loves the harness with the feathers.
With Verum Pet Fitness, I don't always have to worry about making sure I go on a walk with Lou every day. Sometimes it's just so hard to get there when I have an 8-hour day and then I come home and I just don't have any energy. But when I put Verum up, I can set it up on automatic and I can look at the stats and see how far she's walked and how many treats she's got throughout the day. It really takes a lot of pressure off me.
You can monitor your pet's activities on the app and even compare with your friends and keep track of your fitness history as well. We have working prototypes and secured manufacturing avenues. We simply need your help to begin production. So bring a new friend for your dog into your home by backing us today. Verum Pet Fitness is designed to be your pet's best friend for a lifetime.